Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and install the screen protector for the dash on Z900. So if you have a Z900, you should definitely get one of these screen protector. I ordered mine from Amazon, and I will leave a link in the description to where you can get the screen protector from, guys. That's it. All right, so we have get it out the package. So that's what it comes from. I will leave a link in the description so you guys can see for yourself, because you know these dash, they're plastic, and once you clean them one time, they start getting dirty, so they start getting scratched up. So this is plastic too, but it's more durable than, it's better to scratch this than scratch your display. So now I'm doing this on the outside, thinking that I should do it on the inside and in the garage or something, but I'm already here, so we're just gonna install this. So first you want to get this right here, get your cart, and once you get that, you clean the display with it, and then you can wipe it down with the alcohol wipes. So you just want to wipe it down to make sure it's clean, and then you get your dust remover. Go wipe this one more time with this, make sure it's clean as possible. And get your dust remover, remove any dust that's on the screen. So once you remove those, the next step is to remove this one first, and put this on like this. Make sure you put it where you don't get any bubbles in it. And once you set it, you let it go, and that will take out most of the bubbles. And then you got to go over it with this to make sure you get the screen in the right spot, and then you can just peel this off. So once you peel this off, go ahead and push out the rest of the bubbles. So, and that's it, guys. Once you do that, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure I get all the bubbles done. So please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Give you a nice little sound clip. Still in second gear. That's it. Peace out.